Do you have that nasty ding or dent in your vehicle that just drives you nuts? And you don't want to have the hassle of taking it down to the body shop and possibly respraying the vehicle or repainting it and maybe not even having the paint match. Well, we have a solution, and that solution is Paintless Dent Repair. Paintless Dent Repair allows us to reshape the metal back to its original position and keep the factory paint intact. So the value of having your original paint is huge because it has the most resilience, the highest adhesion to the vehicle, and it's not going to dull, fade, or crack as long as the proper maintenance is given over the years. Now, one thing to consider when you are shopping for a paintless dent repair technician is to make sure that you could see their videos and their work, because shopping for paintless dent repair technicians is like shopping for a cosmetic surgeon. Every surgeon or every technician has their own skill set that they're willing to bring to the table, and we offer the absolute highest quality when it comes to paintless dent repair. We are extremely picky about our repairs. We want to give you the best quality outcomes that this fantastic service offers. This particular repair is probably one of the most challenging types of repairs to do in the paintless dent repair world. But we're showing you clearly that we can actually sculpt and shape this metal back to its original position. And we're not afraid to show you up close and personal what these repairs look like when they are finished to a high level. Give us a call. We'd be happy to help.